Researcher Note, Unit 5, AI as Your Crystal Ball, Predicting Market Trend, published by Dr. Ken, PhD. In 2024, Lisa Su stepped into the role of CEO at Advanced Micro Device, AMD, during one of the most challenging times in the company history. Intel dominated the CPU market. NVIDIA was surging ahead in GPU, and AMD was bleeding market share and revenue. Industry analysis was skeptical about the company's survival, but Lisa Su saw an opportunity where others saw defeat, and she used AI as her crystal ball to predict and shape AMD comeback. Su understood that the semiconductor industry is um, cyclical and heavily driven by technological trend. But spotting the, uh, those those trends only require more than intuition. It's the man data-driven foresight, drawing from insight in competing the age of AI by micro Lancity and the Crims or Hernes. She embraced the strategy of AI-powered market trend analysis. The future of computing is understanding the signal of today. Sue often said to her leadership team, turning data into foresight. AMD invested in AI and advanced analytics to analyze global hardware demand, consumer behaviors, and competitor move. Natural language processing, NLP, algorithms scan market report, social media discussion, and industrial publications, searching the pattern that might reveal emerging trend in gaming, data center, and cloud computing. The AI model revealed the surging interest in performance CPU and GPU for gaming. AIs and cloud infrastructure segment AMD had um, under invested in, while a competitor focused on incremental improvement. AI Power Insight guided AMD to double down on innovation for next-gen chips. The Ryzen revolutions. The pivotal decision came when the model indicated that consumers increasingly value multi-core processor for gaming, content creation, and AI workload. Long before competitors noticed this shift. Based on these insights, AMD AMD bet big on its Ryzen processor built on its Zen architectures. The results were astounding. In 2017, AMD launched its Ryzen chips, delivering high performance at competitive price. By 2019, AMD had doubled its market share in desktop processors. In 2022, um, AMD EPYC processor became the top choice for data center, stealing market share from Intel. Lisa Su AI-driven decision transform AMD from the struggling and underdog into the 200 billion market leaders. As Su explained, AI helped us predict where the market was going, not where it had been. The science behind the success, according to the BCG research, companies that thrive with AI typically apply one or three AI value play. Number one, deploy automating decisions using existing AI tool. Reshape, reimagining processes around AI capabilities. Number three, invent, creating new AI-powered product and service. AMD apply all three, but especially excel as reshaping its product development process through the predictive analytic. The entrepreneur takeaway. Entrepreneurs often face an uncertain market and rapidly shifting consumer behavior. AI-powered tool can serve as a crystal ball, not to predict the future perfectly, um, but to detect subtle signal of change before competitor do. The question isn't whether AI can predict market trend, it's whether leaders will listen to what AI reveal. After all, as the saying go, the more AI learn, the less we do. But in the right hand, the learning can become a competitive superpower.